This is so delicious. In this smoothie gives it a little twist of spiciness. Welcome back to my channel. If you're just seeing this channel for the first time, I'd like you to click the subscribe button to subscribe to this channel. I also want you to click the thumbs up button to like this video, and I would like you to also share this video with your friends and your family. So today I'm going to make this delicious drink. um, it is chocolatey, that is why the color is brown like that, but it is full of antioxidants, as you can see. So it's going to be made with some berries, like you see in this drink. It is very good during the cold period, and also good even during summer. You can also make this. So this is a smoothie. Yes, this is a smoothie. So come with me as I make this drink. So I would like you to make a comment in the comment section. Let me know which country you're watching from. God bless you. I appreciate all my fans watching my video. So this is the chocolatey berry smoothie. It's good for both adults and even for children. Let me show you how I made this smoothie. So here I have already washed raspberry, strawberry, blueberry, and blackberry. So they're already washed and they're ready for blending. So but before I blend them, I'm going to put them in the refrigerator. So they're going to be in the freezer for at least 3 hours so that they can be hard. So here I am putting them in the Ziploc bag to go into the deep freezer. So that's the raspberry. And now I'm going to bag the blueberry and blackberry together. So the blackberry is not much, just a few blackberries, but I have more of blueberries that I'm going to use. So put them in the Ziploc bag. The next one is the strawberry that I'm going to put in a Ziploc bag. So once I finish bagging all of them, I'm going to put them in the deep freezer. So here we go into the deep freezer. So this is after 3 hours. I brought them out of the deep freezer. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to blend them together. So I have ginger and cocoa. So this cocoa is very good. So next, what I did, I cut the ginger into tiny bits so I can easily blend them. So now I'm going to add the raspberry at the bottom because it's soft. I don't want to add water. I'm just going to blend it the way it is. So next I will add the ginger. So the raspberry serves as a base and the liquid that we need. Then I'm going to add the blueberry next into the blender. And after that comes the strawberry. So I'm going to blend them together. Like I said, this is very good for the immune system because they're full, all of these berries are full of antioxidant. And I'm going to blend them now together to make this smoothie. And like I said before, this smoothie is good for both adults and children alike. So there you go. So after blending, when it's almost ready, I'm going to add the cocoa to the mixture. So here's my cocoa. So this is going to make it a little bit chocolatey for your taste bud. I'm going to add a couple of spoons. So let me blend it now. So let's blend, blend, blend. So I'm adding more tablespoons of the cocoa, and I blend it again to have that consistency that I need, that dark chocolatey color. So yeah, it's ready. So now I'm pouring it into a bowl because you can have this as a full meal, like for breakfast. You can add the fruits, more fruits on top. I mean, more of the berries on top like this. And then even add granola to it to give you a full breakfast. You can also have this smoothie just as an ordinary smoothie, a drink, and just add those berries on top. And yeah, you can just sip it like this. You can, have it as a drink, a smoothie drink like this. Yeah, so this smoothie can be had as a full breakfast where you have it in that bowl and you can add granola to it to have that full breakfast, or you can just have it in a glass like this as a drink and just sip it. So this looks so delicious. It's a healthy drink. It is good for your body. All of these berries that I have here are very good for the immune system, and they protect you from all forms from cold and all that. So this smoothie is very easy to make. It just takes few minutes to make. So what you can do, you can wash and prep your berries and put them in the Ziploc bag like you saw me do, and store them in your refrigerator or your deep freezer. And whenever you're ready to make the smoothie, you can just bring them out and just blend them, and to be ready to go. You can have it ready for you to take to work. It's very easy, and even if you don't have some on top like I have here, you can just make only the smoothie and take it to work, or even give to your kids to take to school. And yeah, so this smoothie is made up of blueberries, raspberries, strawberries, a little bit of blackberries. And I also have some cocoa, that's natural cocoa powder in it, and some ginger. Yes, that ginger in this drink gives it that little twist of spiciness, and it is so yummy. Good, it's good. Like my videos, subscribe to my channel, and also click the notification button and share my videos. God bless you. See you in the next one. Bye.